Alright guys, on this video we're going to be installing the TYMATE TPMS sensors. Now a lot of you guys know TPMS sensors didn't really become factory since 2008. This Civic is a 2007 and I do not have any TPMS sensors. So for those times where you got long trips or if you just want to monitor your tire pressure, this is a nice solution, fully remote, and we're going to install it right now and show you guys how to use it, how it works. So what you have here is 4 tire pressure monitoring systems, and these just screw on into your valve stem and they monitor your tire pressure just like that. And then this screen, you just hook it up to your cigarette lighter and it's going to display all the readings and give you alerts if it's low or if it's too high. So this is again the display. You get a couple options here, and you still have a USB and the USB-C adapter so you can plug in your other devices. Alright, it also reads your battery voltage, which is really nice, the tire temperature, and the actual PSI. So currently we didn't install the tires yet, that's why they are reading 0, but we will install them shortly. The issue is my valve stems are really short and it is kind of hitting the rim, but even though with my super short valve stems it sits flush, doesn't stick out too much, and to be honest, doesn't look crazy noticeable. Not crazy noticeable. So let's go ahead, finish installing all these sensors and see how it looks. So I just walked into the car and you can see 35, 35, 34, 32, and about 55 degrees outside. So it just kicked on instantly, everything registered, and we're gonna go ahead and drive them for a little bit, see if it stays consistent or not. Alright, I started the vehicle and the voltage actually increased, so that's nice. You can see everything's working properly. And again, it's a very simple device, just has 2 features again: battery voltage, tire pressure, and tire temperature. The temperature is pretty cool because if you're tracking your car or something like that, you can see the heat. I'm not sure how accurate that is going to be, the heat, because that's not the actual tire, it's maybe the inside. But the tire pressure is the most vital and probably the reason you're getting this device. So I'm going to go ahead for a drive and see how we look like in a few minutes. You know, you're driving and it's in the corner right there. It's totally usable, and if there's any issues, you can see it right over here. It's just going to make things a lot safer for you guys driving, going on road trips. It's small enough to fit in your passenger cars, your daily drivers. So totally recommend it right here. Small little device by TYMATE. For a spin for about 10 minutes and it's pretty consistent, guys. Weather-wise, it's a little colder outside, but that's what the tire temperature is reading. But the tire pressure is pretty good and pretty accurate. So, awesome little product, and it doesn't take up too much real estate in here. So, I'll be sticking with this. Hopefully, my only concern is kind of like how long are the batteries going to last? The ones that are in the tire pressure monitoring system caps. Hopefully they can last at least a year or 2 before I have to replace them, especially in the cold weather, but time will tell. In the box, you will also find this little device that's going to help you screw on the caps. They have special indentations that will help screw on the cap or dismantle the cap to change the battery on it. You also do have these anti-theft hex nuts that you can put on into the valve stem with the device, and this kind of gives you a guide on how you are able to install the anti-theft hex nut. But we're not installing anything anti-theft. I don't think nobody's going to be really reaching around for them, and they're not going to be able to use them anyway. without the main device. Alright, this has to be the easiest installation I have done so far. This is the TYMATE TPMS sensor, tire pressure monitoring sensor system. Totally remote, just install it on your car. If your vehicle didn't come with it, you can install it on your trucks, your semis. They have different models for different cars and different set of wheels. You can install it on your rear spare tire as well, just to monitor the spare tire over time. These things, very simple, very affordable, and it's going to make sure your ride is safe, your family is safe. And it also gives you warnings. I totally forgot to mention that, but they do have warnings. So if your tire pressure is too low, too high, it's going to give you warnings. So if you guys are interested in this device, go ahead, click the link in the description below, and pick yourself one up.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true.